so this is Zach. I'm Mum Mel or Melissa. And we are going to be making it rain blood, guys. This is the raining blood experiment. So all you need for this is a bowl with some oil in. You're gonna need, you can use whatever colour red dyes, food dyes. So we've got blue, red, hold on, green and yellow. Then you're gonna need, you can use a jar. We haven't got a jar, so we are just using a glass with about 1/4 of water in it and a fork, guys. So
we just did a secret talk, guys.
So first of all, guys, take your bowl of oil
and then pour a don't you?
No.
Sorry.
Let me just undo it.
Imagine if you had to do that.
Right.
Don't pour anything yet. I'm going to bring the camera closer, guys, because you're going to want to see what happens. So I'm just taking these off first. Come in.
Okay, guys, so here's our bowl of oil.
You do it.
Okay, you've got to pour a small amount of each food dye into...
Mummy did blue.
There, into the bowl. So we've got blue, we've got red, we've got some green and some yellow. Okay, so move them aside, guys, and then you just got to stir it with the fork, because obviously it sinks to the bottom. Okay, guys, so once that is mixed, you're going to want to pour the oil into your water. Do you want to pour it? Do you want to pour it? Do you want to pour it or not? What? Like that into there. Right, now, this is the important bit, guys, so watch, watch, watch.
It's going to explode everywhere. Oh my god, that looks so cool at the bottom, look. Now wait and watch what happens. Blood comes from the sky, red everywhere. Or does it go everywhere and splat everywhere? No. And how, why is it not dripping? It's meant to drip blood, why is it not dripping blood?
So that wasn't fair.
Okay, guys, so that clearly didn't work. We did everything that you're meant to do and it didn't work. It's meant to drop down like blood, but it didn't happen. So that was a big fail, guys. Yeah, so what was meant to happen was a small
droplets start to fall into the water, and that's because the food dye and the oil mix together, which makes it heavier than the water. So some of the droplets at the bottom will go back up because the food dye and the oil start to separate, which makes the food dye mix in with the water and the oil resurfaces. It didn't work, guys, so that was a massive fail, but you can always try it at home anyway because it might work for you. I have no idea where we went wrong. But we hope you have enjoyed the video. Maybe it has to be bigger. No, it doesn't. I don't know, guys, but yeah, hope you have enjoyed the video. Leave a thumbs up, hit that, hit the bell, and also
hit that guy in the face.
Have fun at home, guys. We'll see you on another experiment.